Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file. It's pretty cool, but they need to put the same dimensional spacing on the outside of this. They're trying to cut this out and make it all one piece of wood, which would be pretty cool. I don't know what you'd do with it, but we take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in with black. That's what it's going to look like. So there are two ways to do this. And one, I think he's trying to contour it, and I've already measured it. It's take your parallel dimension tool and go anywhere and try to stay perpendicular, and we're at 1/4 of an inch spacing. So there's two ways to do it. One, and his problem is he can't contour it. He goes to effects and contour, and it's grayed out. Well, it's grayed out because this is 40 pieces. So one way to do it, matter of fact, I'm going to make a duplicate of that. So one way to do it, you've got to group it together. Go to Object, Group, and Group. And now watch what happens when we go to Effects and Contour. You can contour to the outside 1/4 of an inch, and you get that. Now, that's not going to always work, because sometimes it's going to try to go down between there. So like, let's try to contour like 0.1. And you've got to contour a 0.1, but you've also got you're contouring to the inside too. So the other way around that, if you needed a smaller contour, is to take this, and you can see the 40 pieces, but you've got a boundary tool. Put a boundary around it. Now the boundary did the same thing, but it kind of sealed in those gaps a little more, and it made it one piece. So now you can contour that 0.25, and this works in both cases here. But a lot of times the contour tool will not contour those little spaces if you needed it. So I hope that helped him, because that's a pretty cool design. And fill that in, and that's what it's going to look like in wood. 1/4 inch, it's pretty well. 1/4 inch would be thick enough. I don't know what he's making. It's almost like a chain link fence. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.